Hey guys, what's going on? Ethan here. Today I will be showing you my PC build. K 6500. This is what I was using for like all of my YouTube videos, but now I got my graphics card that you will see in the video. And for my motherboard I went with the MSI H110M Pro VD plus LGA 1151. Yeah. It's pretty cheap, but also it's a micro ATX, and I have a ATX case, so it's kind of small in there, but it works. I went with the EVGA 500 watt power supply, and then I went with a 120 gig SSD. I went with a 120 gig because I didn't know that it was going to get taken up that fast. Like, everything gets saved on there when I even set it to go to my hard drive, but whatever. Yeah, so I went with this because it's fairly cheap. In the US it's probably like 40 bucks. But, meh, works. Then for my hard drive, I went with a Western Digital Blue 1 terabyte hard drive. So for my graphics card, this is the one that I bought, but I regret that decision a lot, because it's way too overpriced. And I don't even know why I went with a graphics card that was pre-overclocked, because I overclocked my own. Uh, but I overclocked it like 2 times further that they did it, so whatever. And I rather would have went with like this, was cheaper. I'm pretty sure I put a different graphics card to show you guys, but whatever. And finally, for the case, I went with a Corsair. I went with the 100R Corsair case. Uh, I I really like it because it's like nice, but one thing that I absolutely hate about it is the back panel. You can't not wire your cables through there. It's a pain. And like, I had to force my back panel on, and it finally worked, but I'm glad it did, because I did not want to buy another case. Yeah. Well, other than that, it's a very good looking case, and that's like the only problem that I figured out with it. And this has been Ethan here, and see you next time.